unveiling the genius, top 20 scientists, and their game-changing inventions. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity. By questioning the fundamentals of time and space, Einstein showed that small ideas can lead to monumental shifts in our understanding. Marie Curie's pioneering research on radioactivity opened doors to medical marvels and nuclear energy. Her relentless pursuit of knowledge broke barriers in science, especially for women, proving that determination and passion are powerful tools in achieving the impossible. Nikola Tesla's work on alternating current (AC) electricity paved the way for our modern energy systems. His visionary ideas extended to wireless communication and even robotics, highlighting the boundless possibilities when daring to think ahead of the times. Isaac Newton's laws of motion and universal gravitation form the cornerstone of physics. His ability to see patterns in the physical world led to a new understanding of how objects move, a legacy that continues to guide scientific inquiry and innovation. Through her X-ray diffraction images, Rosalind Franklin revealed the double helix structure of DNA. Her work laid the foundation for genetic research and biotechnology, underscoring the importance of persistence and collaboration in scientific discovery. Charles Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection transformed biology. His observations aboard the HMS Beagle led to groundbreaking insights into the diversity of life, teaching us the power of careful observation and open-mindedness in scientific exploration. Ada Lovelace's visionary work on Charles Babbage's analytical engine established her as the first computer programmer. Her foresight into machines' potential for creativity and logic was decades ahead of her time, underscoring the limitless potential of technology. Alexander Fleming's discovery of penicillin ushered in the antibiotic age, revolutionizing medicine and saving countless lives. His accidental discovery highlights the role of chance and observation in scientific breakthroughs, reminding us to remain curious and alert. Galileo's improvements to the telescope and his championing of the heliocentric model reshaped our view of the cosmos. His willingness to challenge established beliefs emphasizes the importance of questioning and verifying, cornerstone principles of scientific progress. Thomas Edison's prolific inventions, including the phonograph and electric light bulb, changed everyday life. His focus on practical applications of science stands as a testament to innovation's impact, encouraging practical thinking and perseverance amidst setbacks. Katherine Johnson's mathematical brilliance helped NASA succeed in space missions, including the Apollo moon landings. Her story emphasizes the vital role of accuracy and determination in tackling complex challenges, inspiring young mathematicians everywhere. Louis Pasteur's work in microbiology and pasteurization demonstrated the link between germs and disease, transforming public health. His methods of scientific investigation and application teach us the importance of systematic exploration in addressing societal needs. Stephen Hawking's work on black holes and the nature of the universe advanced our understanding of cosmic phenomena. Despite physical limitations, his intellectual prowess and public advocacy for science inspire resilience and a lifelong commitment to inquiry. Jane Goodall's groundbreaking research on chimpanzees upended our understanding of animal behavior. Her dedication to conservation and education highlights the impact of empathy and fieldwork in science, fostering a deeper awareness of our connection with nature. Tim Berners-Lee's creation of the World Wide Web revolutionized communication and access to information. His vision of a connected world emphasizes technology's role in shaping society and empowering individuals, encouraging new ways to harness digital tools. Richard Feynman's contributions to quantum mechanics and his charismatic teaching style transform complex ideas into accessible knowledge. His playful curiosity and analytical thinking inspire future scientists to embrace the challenge of understanding the unknown. Rachel Carson's book, Silent Spring, sparked the environmental movement, highlighting the dangers of pesticides. Her advocacy for nature emphasizes the power of scientific writing and public awareness in driving societal change and protecting our planet. Johannes Kepler's laws of planetary motion described the orbital paths of planets, a cornerstone of astronomy. His meticulous analysis of celestial data demonstrates the importance of math and observation in unraveling the universe's wonders. Elon Musk's ventures, from electric vehicles to space travel, embrace the spirit of futuristic innovation, inspiring students to dream big. His commitment to pushing technological boundaries reminds us of the ever-expanding horizons science offers to the brave and curious. Each of these pioneering scientists started with a simple question or problem. As you embark on your scientific journey, let their stories inspire you to dream, explore, and innovate. Challenge established beliefs, pursue your passions, and contribute to the world. The future of science depends on your curiosity and courage.